Meaning of forbid.
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 Forbid. Forbid means to prohibit or prevent someone from doing something, either by law or social convention. The result of forbidding something can vary depending on the context. For example, if a law forbids smoking in public places, those who violate it may face a fine or legal penalty. If a parent forbids their child from watching TV, the child may face punishment or lose privileges if they disobey. Overall, the act of forbidding aims to restrict certain actions or behaviors in order to maintain order and uphold certain values or principles.